welcome to this video demonstration on data analysis using distribute frequency distribution in Jamovi. So today I'll guide you through a step-by-step process on conducting a frequency distribution analysis using a random data. So let's get started. So let me share to you the uh, research scenario for this uh, data analysis. So our research scenario is the study aims to analyze the distribution of teachers' rank in Paku National High School. So to start with, let us prepare the data and let us identify the variable. So the variable of the in the research scenario is the teacher rank, which is in categorical variable, specifically ordinal level. So the ranks include teacher 1, teacher 2, teacher 3, and master teacher 1. So those are the teacher rank that are available in, or that not available, rank that uh, uh, presently that are present in Paco National High School teachers ranks. So now let's have a random data example for demonstration. So in this case, to do that, you will input the data in Excel file format. Then after that, you export it in Jamovi. So in this video, I already prepared uh, an Excel file for the presentation for maximizing our time. So with that, let's proceed to Jamovi. Then let's try to where it is. So I already as I've said, prepared I prepared already the data for the uh for maximizing the time. So if you don't have the prepared data, so all you have to do is to input individually the data in the Excel file, then save it. And after you save it, so you click the Jamovi and click the file tab here in Jamovi, this top left corner. Then after that, click open, then browse the Excel file that you save. So in this video, so the file name for the Excel file is descriptive analysis frequency distribution. So let's click it. Okay, so there you have it. So the data now appear in Jamovi's data view. So this is now the random data set for teachers rank. So after that, let's try to uh, change the this data variable into ordinal, because teacher rank is ordinal level. So here it is nominal. So that is why we will change it into ordinal. Then the levels here, let us change it into teacher 1. So for level 1, we will put teacher 1. For level 2, we put teacher 2. For level 3, we will change it into teacher 3. And for Level 4, we will change it into master teacher 1. Teacher 1. Okay, so there you have it. So now the data in Jamovi is ready for analysis. So right now, let's do the frequency distribution analysis. So let's click exploration tab to do that, to conduct the analysis. Click, then go to descriptives, then you can drag it or just click this arrow to, in order the teacher rank go to uh, left panel. Then after that, let's enable the frequency distribution option. So here we see in a frequency table. So let's check it or click it. Then let's go to statistic panel. So we have, we need to uncheck this, because we don't need this data. We are just focusing on frequency distribution table. Okay, so there you have it. So we see now the frequencies of teacher rank from teacher 1 to master teacher 1. So right now, uh, we seen the Jamovi computed the frequencies and percentage of each teacher rank in the dataset. And right now, we will proceed in interpreting the result. So now let us copy this table into the Word file. So this is frequency distribution I of teachers rank in Baku National High School. And let's delete this column because it is not needed. So there you go. So this is now the frequency distribution of teachers rank in Paku National High School. So if we try to interpret the results, so we can say that majority of the teachers, interpretation. So majority of teachers in Paku National High School hold the rank of teacher 1 with a percentage of 45.2%. Then that's the first interpretation. Then second one is higher ranks such as master, teacher one, are less common, comprising only 6.5% of the total teacher population. Okay, so that's it. So that's uh the process, the step-by-step process on data analysis using frequency distribution in Jamovi. So I hope you learned something on this video. So that's all. Thank you.